if she is innocent and she has no intentions of joining the armed group, then bakit nung nakita siya, naka-rig siya, combat rig, no? Yung vest, kung saan may mga, nandito yung mga magazines. She was armed. She was fighting. Kitang-kita ng mga sundalo natin na lumalaban sila. No? So, unlike dun sa case ni Chantal na nahuli sa Mindoro, no? Nung nakita siya ng mga tropa, hindi siya lumalaban. Yung armas niya ay malayo sa kanya. So what did we do? We took her into our custody. We gave her the proper medical attention, and tinawag pa natin yung kanyang mga magulang. Sinundupan siya ng kanyang mga magulang, and she was brought back to the United States. So ang ating mga sundalo ay hindi human rights violators. In fact, we respect the human rights of people. But once you start fighting against our government forces, then you are a combatant, and of course, no? Kasama ka sa paring maging casualties. Before nangyari po ito, if you will recall, maraming mga patayan dun sa Negros. Not just in Negros but around the country. Maraming pinapatay na mga civilian na mga inosente ang New People's Army. In fact, around the country, we have recorded 50 of these executions made by the New People's Army. At karamihan nito, around 38 of these incidents are in Negros. So dahil dyan sa ginagawa ng NPA na yan, we have escalated our operations under the direction of General Reyes, Commander of Viscom, no? And the other units, yung ating Army units, Joint Task Force Spear, 3rd Infantry Division, at yung mga battalions na natin. We have intensified our operations to run against the New People's Army. Dahil hindi na po pwede yung ginagawa nila na patay lang dito ng mga inosenteng mga civilians. Just because they suspect them of helping government forces, helping the government. Spy tagging ang tawag namin dyan dahil they believe that itong mga inosenteng mga civilians na ito are spies for the government, pinapatay nila. No, hindi pwede yun, no? That those are human rights violations, including the New People's Army who have been killing innocent civilians. Dapat silang imbestigahan. We were doing a legitimate operation. The armed forces is doing a legitimate operation. We were operating within the bounds of law. So, we are open. Kung imbestigahan tayo ng CHR, yes, we will cooperate. We will show them all the necessary documents, yung mga videos na nakuha natin of the NPAs na armado nung buhay pa sila before the actual encounter.
Sir, kung legitimate daw, sir, bakit walang namatay sa sundalo?
May nasugatan po tayo. May nabasa nga ako na kung legitimate yun, bakit wala namatay na sundalo? Magagaling yung mga sundalo natin. No? Pero merong wounded.
Anong rank yun, sir?
Anong rank? Corporal. And recently, dun sa mga operations natin elsewhere, in Mindoro and Masbate, namatayan tayo ng sundalo, ng isang opisyal. And in that same encounter na kung saan namatay yung opisyal natin, may nahuli na naman po tayo na another female combatant, also a student. Pero hindi despite the fact na namatayan yung mga sundalo ng isang opisyal, hindi nila pinatay yung nahuli natin. Instead, again, just like Chantal, she was given the proper medical attention, and right now, she's being processed by DSWD, but unfortunately, magkakaroon siya ng kaso, no? Dahil may namatay na mga sundalo, may mga nasugatan ng mga sundalo.